Nandito na ako sa bahay ng aking client at ikakabit ko na yung kanyang kurtina at sofacover.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of fun.
Bali, ito yung kurtina niya, 3-in-1.
But now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too.
Yung throw pillow ni ma'am na order, yung terno sa kanyang kurtina.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.
Kanyang sofacover, Apricot color of the year. Kakabit ko pa yung cover ng kanyang center table, tsaka dito sa Cleopatra. Meron din siyang kurtina para dito sa kanyang kusina. Nag-pray na rin ako sa kanya ng 4 na piraso na throw pillowcase pang palit niya. Bali, 8 piraso yung kanya.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Natin yung Cleopatra cover, center table cover, at yung sofa cover ni Madam. Kasama na rin yung kanyang 3-in-1 set, 6-feet curtain. Ito pa yung isa sa kanyang kusina. Marami pong salamat sa aking client. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Please like po, subscribe.